Okay, I raised that up. It was 5.5. Now it's 3.5 from here up to there. So then this edge, can you see that? I think you can. Okay, the edge. If I measure from the top of that on up to there, it's 36.5. Okay, so now we come over here. This other one, I haven't raised this other one at all yet. Okay, and let's just get you right here. Okay, 36.5. And I have not touched this one yet. 36.5. Measure from the top of that up to the top of this. Well, I can do it right here, I guess. I got 38 and almost a half. Okay, 38.25. Over here, that's 38 or so, depending, you know, how I hold that. Okay, so 38.25. So see, that other one's 36.5. So see, if I have to raise it up to 36.5 just to make it level, that's about 2 inches, just like I was saying, from down here. You see what I mean? And so if I raise that up at least 2 inches, that'll make it. If I raise that side up 2 inches, I'm going to have to move it over just slightly, and I'll have to see how this goes on and off it. Okay, 2 inches there. Can you see how this is almost going to be level, the piping? And that's okay if it was level. I'd rather, though, have this side up just a hair higher. So I got 36.5. If this one should be maybe 36, if I can get it, and it's 38.25 or so. You see what I mean? So I'll have to see what I can do about that and get it to work.